Good morning, actually it's afternoon. Good afternoon and welcome back to the channel. We are going today to see if the tires, the tire back there and rim fit on my buddy Junior's father's shop wheel balancer. I don't know what that's called, whatever they put the wheels on, balance them. We're gonna see if it fits. This is a 37, they weren't sure, but they knew the 18 would fit. We're gonna go do that right now. As you can see, I have like a ton of flags. I got American flag, I got Brazilian flag, I got Brazilian flags on the truck, jersey, all that stuff. So like I said before in the last video, World Cup season, big into World Cup. I don't know if you guys are. I love football, American football. I love soccer, the rest of the world football, and some other sports, but it's World Cup. So you'll notice that throughout the videos, and that's just it. All right. So we've been talking about the taser. I've shown you some of the video of the taser. Remember I showed you Mr. Blank. So then I learned if you put the windshield wipers on like high, it just fucking goes nuts. Right, all right. And then the reverse, 1, 2, 2 seconds, but it's still delayed, right? We can agree that it's delayed. There's that. And yesterday morning, I woke up to go do some stuff, and my battery was dead on my 2-year-old truck. It was low. Like I could tell in the last couple days that the starter was kind of weak. I'm like, but I was like, oh, I don't know. You kind of just ignore it and see if it goes away. Stupid, but I did. Sure enough, I went to go start it and she wouldn't start. So I had to go pull up my jump box, which I have a jump box, and the jump box wasn't charged. So then I had to go get another vehicle and jump it, and it started right away. Then I, drove it for a while to charge the battery back up. But I'm almost certain, and while that was all happening, I was like, oh, I'm gonna make a video uninstall. I gotta uninstall the Z Automotive Taser, because the thing's just drawing battery, right? So then I looked up videos on YouTube and other people having the same issues, and they said, oh, if you make changes to it and you don't reboot it, that's what happens. So I get it. It leaves the screen on or something and it drains your batteries. I don't remember making changes. Maybe when I made the change from the blinker turning on the cameras, I'll try it again, but it's not worth it for the auto fold mirrors when I turn off the truck. The light show and the orange, the amber DRLs. It's just not worth me always worried about it, if that's going to be the case. So I'm gonna make a decision on that. If it happens again, I'll probably uninstall it. Just a beware thing. And maybe someone for Z Automotive will give me an update, because you guys have done that in the past. So you guys hit me up and say, oh, no, you gotta do this, you gotta do that, or whatever the case is. So let's head over to Santo's garage. So just pulled up to Junior's, it's his dad's shop. It's called Santo's Garage. Got the gate closed today. I just saw the guys earlier. Oh yeah, they're here. So we got to put the tires, the tire and rim, so they could do a test. After all that, they told me within a few minutes, they called the big boss, looked at the machine, looked at the tires, like, nah, it's not gonna fit. So I gotta find a tire place that's willing to do it. But around me, Town Fair Tire won't mount and balance tires that they don't sell to you. So off to find that. So we just dropped off the tires at a local shop that Junior recommended, since the shop can't do it. The guy thinks he could do it. So I just gave him one rim and tire. Let's see if he'll give me a call back to see if it works, and I'll bring the rest tomorrow. Day 2 of the same video, and pow. Rims and tires already look good. Look good and big. Gonna look great on the truck. Now we gotta load them up. by ourselves. And this is the second part of the video. And those are the tires mounted, well, balanced, tires mounted on the rim and balanced, finally. So we got the lift going, we just got to line it up because it's got all the undercarriage. So we're just all setting it up. Oh my God, Roberto, you guys remember Roberto from the last video? Look at that clearance. Oh man, we could have done it right there, man. It's right there. For the spacer.
Yeah, what about
now we know it's easy. The front, let's look at it. You already tell the difference being on the lifts. Look at that. Yeah. Look at that bulge. Louise, look at the bulge. What a difference. Right? Now go to this side. Now you see what I'm doing? Now you see? This is the man right here. Whew.
Roberto.
Look at that. Alright, that's a lot of space. See, when we put the spacers in, we're just going to take this down, put it right in there, and boom. So what are you doing? Tell everybody what you're doing so they understand.
This is a hub ring. Sorry, English is my second language. So since the rim is it's a little bit bigger, we need a spacer so it fits the diameter of this hub right here.
Like a filler spacer.
Yeah, filler, exactly. So the rim is not bouncing around.
Gotcha. For safety.
For safety. You know, you're not supposed to be putting rims like this technically, but
he doesn't mean that. He doesn't mean that.
No, I'm just kidding. These are small.
Oh, these are tiny.
These are tiny.
All right, cool. Now Roberto's gonna do the real work.
I'm the man.
Yeah, and there's always one watching. There we go. Oh, it's up there. What else came in the box? Oh, it's a wheel cap. Oh yeah. So I guess it will look good with a little bit of chrome because they have chrome in the Method race wheels.
Not bad at all.
They look dope.
Not too shabby.
Yeah, not too shabby at all. Does it need an Allen wrench? What happened?
Antes de botar a roda.
I
think so.
Really?
Yeah.
The Allen key doesn't. Let me see.
See how that has a lip right here?
Oh shit! Yeah, you're right.
Vai ter de novo?
Ah, vai ter que tirar de novo.
Pelo menos você fez só dois, né? So we just figured out that we need to take off. You need to put the caps on before you put it on the lug nuts, which we didn't know. There's like a little lip there. Not Roberto's fault. My fault.
So we should have rented right?
But we're men, and we own businesses, so we're too.
We don't need directions.
We don't need no damn stinking directions. We learn as we go. And this is why women last longer than men in life. And in other things. That's gonna be great. That stance is marvelous. How come that one's out more than this one? That's weird. Suspension.
Good thing we checked.
Yeah. That would have sucked. So if you see all the weights here, because they were balanced, unfortunately I didn't pay attention to when 2 years ago when Junior did my 22s, which you guys have seen pictures of and seen in my garage, that they were never balanced. They were never balanced. So I was all upset with the tires, and it would always shake around like 70 and all that fun stuff. But for all we know, it's not balanced correctly. So we actually found a place that balances them, because Junior's machine doesn't fit it. The tires, the 22s. Not yet.
Not yet.
We're working on custom stuff. Soon. Maybe a few years, but soon. We had to go back and do that wheel again. Almost done here. Guys are great, quick, fast, in a hurry. This is a tight spot to work in.
I don't explain anyway, right? Because I don't know how. Like this.
To show us. That's it. Curious to see like the body line here, but it's on the lift. And it's like very little on this side. And then it's huge on this side. It's like my 22s. I'm wondering if it's just like an angle right now while it's on the lift. Okay, take the guy down. Well, we just brought it down exactly how I thought. It came out a little bit. It looks great. Yeah, perfect. Even right up. It's another truck. Ficou bonito, né? This looks great, bro. Super happy with the look. We'll load up these tires. It's already nighttime. I'm gonna wrap up this video. Truck looks great. We'll get a better next video. Once again, I find Roberto. Find Roberto. Where's Roberto? Roberto! There he is. I'm in, Roberto.
Valeu.
Thanks, my friend.
Valeu.
Until the next time, say peace. Okay. I'm gonna tighten them down real quick, he said. Safe, smart. I'm picking up the trash, and maybe we should go through the instructions. I mean, we were gonna do it anyway, but instructions do say so. So thanks out, shout out to Method. Everything, just to recap everything, we're gonna be installing spacers, the leveling kit, in the next couple weeks, but I wanted to get the wheels on just to get some videos out there. Everything is done, looks great, super happy. Appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're up to 35 subscribers. I'm gonna get some content that I promise you we're gonna get a lot more stuff going just with the holidays and me messing my leg up, but we're gonna knock it out. I appreciate you guys, and until the next one.